YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video, and I'm so excited about this video because I got my hair did. So yes, I finally got my hair installed, and this is the Deeva Extensions Brazilian straight hair in the inches 14, 16, and 18 inch. So I got the hair done last night, Friday night, so the hair is still so fresh and I absolutely just love this hair. Like, I cannot stop running my fingers through this hair, and this hair is giving me all types of life because I've been rocking curly hair for such a long time. Like, I haven't had long straight hair in a good little while, so I am just loving this hair so much. I just cannot stop playing in it. So I do have an initial unboxing video on my channel. I will leave it linked down below, and I also have it somewhere popped up in the card section above here also. And so all the specs and things about the hair is in that video. But what I did do to the hair is I did dye the hair. Now the hair did come in a number 2 and my natural hair is a 1B, so I did go ahead and buy a box dye from Walmart, and I bought it in the color soft black, and I went ahead and dyed all 3 bundles, and this is the color that the hair is now. And it's like a nice black color. It's not a jet black, but it's pretty much like a black or a soft black, like the box had said. So yes, I love that it blends with my hair so much better. I do have a side part going on, and yes, as you guys can see, I just cannot stop playing in this hair because I just absolutely love it so much. Like, the hair just feels absolutely amazing. So like I mentioned before, I did dye the hair, and the hair took the dye amazing. I washed it and I haven't like straightened it, so this is kind of just its natural straight state. I do want to curl the hair, like give it some wand curls. I am traveling on Tuesday, May the 31st, so I'm not sure if I'm going to have this video up before I travel or after I travel. But anywho, I'm going to be traveling that day, and I really do want to put some like wand curls in the hair because I think that would be really, really pretty. But I am absolutely loving this hair. Like, it's so thick. It just feels so good. And the 18 inches comes up to about my boobage area. So yeah, it's just the perfect length, and I just love the hair. So like I said before, I am traveling to Jamaica on the 31st of May. So once I come back from that trip, I'm only going to be gone for about a week or so. So once I come back, I'm going to come and give you guys an updated review so you guys can see how the hair held up in the heat and with water and everything like that. So far, I can say that the hair has been going on great. I'm not getting any shedding. Even with the whole dyeing process, wasn't getting any shedding, wasn't getting any tangling. Oh, okay. Wasn't getting any shedding, wasn't getting any tangling. The hair has been doing really, really well so far. And to be honest with you guys, I took a nap today and I didn't even cover my hair, and the hair didn't go crazy or anything like that. And I wasn't even sleeping on a silk pillowcase. I was sleeping on a cotton silk pillowcase, and the hair has been holding up really, really, really good so far. So I'm quite pleased with the hair. So shout out to Deeva Extension for hooking your girl up. I will have all the specs about the hair in the description box, and I will link my initial unboxing video with all the specs down below also. And yes, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my 2-week update on this hair, and I will see you guys at